Introducing the Eave lights by Z-Light Technology. Using a smart device, connect to the fixture via Wi-Fi. Set the number of bulbs to 36. Change the color of the entire fixture with the fill function. You can also easily adjust the brightness. The fixture has RGB as well as white lights. You can change individual lights as well. You can also turn them off individually. Choose from a range of dynamic scenes to enhance the ambiance. You can also create custom scenes for any occasion. Enjoy sound and music activated lights.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Power 100 feet or 72 lights using a 36 watt 24 volt plug and play power supply. Explore all possibilities with Eave lights by Z-Light Technology.